You crying. Ike's Uplitsen. What? I don't get that. Oh, hey, what's up? Alright guys, it is your boy Camden Garris back with another video. Welcome back, or welcome to my video. If you're wondering, yes, I did just wake up. And I didn't care to fix my hair because who cares? No, I don't care. But we're gonna be
Boy, if you don't
burping. Supposedly. Alright. So we're gonna be doing the German alphabet. Yeah, just guys, please watch my other videos. I make like really good videos if you like actually watch them. Other videos, not just the alphabet videos and stuff like that, because I mean it would mean the world to me. Like, I take a lot of time into all my videos, facts and stuff like that. But yeah, just subscribe, like, and comment down below. And I'm not making fun of anyone. I think languages are really cool, and I honestly truly mean that. So let's get on to the video. I'm gonna read out what I think they are, then we're gonna burp them. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Uplitsen, Z, A, O, U, Z. Okay, so let's go on to the video, burping it. A, ba, a, say, A, F, J. My computer's over here, so I'm looking over here. Am I on G? Oh no. Am I on G? We'll just go on G. J. Ha. Oh. That was after. What the heck? E. Oh. Sorry, you had to witness that. L, M, N, O, B. Do not do this at home. I can barely breathe. Like, okay. R, S, you crying. Va. A. X. Poopers and guys, from burping, I feel like I'm gonna cry. Burping makes me cry, okay? Okay. And I feel like I'm getting sick. It's that time of year to get sick, huh? Alright. Maybe I should do, like, drinking pop video. And then, like, yeah. But yesterday's video, the comments were turned off. I don't know why. But hopefully this video, they aren't. So comment down below what other burping languages I should do or burping videos I should do. And I will see you guys in my next video. You guys are amazing, and I like truly mean that. Like, you guys are literally amazing, okay? But subscribe, like, and comment down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. It is your boy, your homie, your friend, your king, Camden Garris. I almost said back with another video. Checking out for now, and I'll see you guys in my next video. It is your boy, Camden Garris, checking out for now. I said that for the 100th time, but it's okay. No, it's not. Okay. I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace!